And today we're responding to some questions that we had about how to install walk-on panels or deck panels on your roof rack. So I wanted to go through it pretty quickly. Actually, let's give a backstory on these first really quick. We have a panel, 12 inches. We have our B panel, and this is 24 inches. And this is our C panel. Now this is 36 inches. Now we do offer the C panel in another version, which will be the D panel. And instead of 36, it's 36 inches long, but instead of 17 inches wide, it's now going to be 11.5 inches wide. And that narrower panel does a good job of sitting next to an AC unit or a rooftop access panel or something like that, where you're gonna, it's just a wider port on your roof. This will be able to go alongside that port and fit between the roof rack and give you something to walk on. So on the two larger panels, the C/D panel and the B panel, we have these edges on the side. Now basically that's just throwing material at 90 degrees to your panel. So now it's a lot stronger. It doesn't flex. The 12-inch panel, the A panel, doesn't have those turn downs on the side because really doesn't really need that much support, as it's really only spanning 10.5 inches, 11 inches between the panel, between the crossbars. So installation of these is pretty simple. You're going to get in your pack. You're going to get a pack like this in your bag, in your box, pack like this. Inside of there, you're going to have the M6x12s, the M6 slide anchors, and the M6 washers. So the rail anchors right here, the washer, the bolt. I'm going to take the rail anchor, put it in this hole, and slide it down. Position the panel above that so you can see it through the hole. This guy drops in, and you use your 4mm Allen to tighten this down until you get it tight. You're going to repeat that 6 times, or repeat it 5 more times, a total of 6 times across each panel. And that is how you install your walk-on panels on your roof rack. Get out there.